हेलो हेल्थ कम्पिटिटर नमस्ते। मल्टिपल चोइस क्वेसन हेल्थ एन्ड वेल बिङको पार्ट 3 ल्याएर उपस्थित भइसकेको छु म दीप रावल। आज हामी सिरिज 5 को विशेष गरेर नेचुरल हिस्ट्री अफ डिजिजको बारेमा डिस्कसन गर्ने जमर्को गर्दैछौँ। यो एमसीक्यू चाहिँ प्रिभेन्टिभ एन्ड सोसल मेडिसिन जुन विवेक जैनको 8th एडिसनबाट लिएको छ। 43 क्वेसन जुन कन्टिन्यू गर्दैछौँ। साइलेन्ट इपिडेमिक अफ सेन्चुरी इज coronary artery disease, coronary liver disease, chronic obstructive lung disease, Alzheimer disease. Correct answer D, Alzheimer disease. Which one of the following does not represent the submerged portion of iceberg? Which of the following does not represent the submerged portion of iceberg? Diagnosed case under treatment, undiagnosed case, pre-symptomatic case, carrier subclinical case. इसको करेक्ट आंसर डायग्नोस केस अंडर ट्रीटमेंट ए। टिप ऑफ आइसबर्ग फिनोमेना सबमर्ज पोर्शन डज नॉट कंसिस्ट ऑफ लैटेंट पीरियड, कैरियर, अनडायग्नोस्ड केस। इसको सही आंसर हो हेल्दी पॉपुलेशन। Which of the following is not regarding pathogenesis of disease? Pathogenesis means when organism are entry in human body. Screening is of no use in changing course of disease. Tertiary prevention is possible. Entry of organism occur includes subclinical case. Correct answer A. Not भनेको छ। Web of causation of disease. Which statement is most appropriate? Most applicable for common disease. Require complete understanding of all factors associated with causation of disease. Epidemiological ratio. Help to suggest way to interrupt the risk of transmission. There is confusion between option B and option D. Both questions are similar, both options are near to right, but we suggest the strong one answer. So the correct answer is help to suggest way to interrupt the risk of transmission, D. Transaction from increased prevalence of infectious pandemic disease to man-made disease known as, this is called paradoxical transaction or reversal transaction or epidemiological transaction or demographic transaction. This is the correct answer of epidemiological transaction, option C. Bing's model. Do you know Bing's model? Bing's model of disease causation does not include spiritual factor, social factor, religious factor, social factor. The correct answer is C. Bing's models मा religious factor पर्दैन। Secular trend is best demonstrated by line diagram, bar graph, stem leaf plot, box and whisker plot. The correct answer is A. Epidemiological trend are all except agent, host, environment factor and investigator. The correct option is D, investigator. In epidemiological trend, investigation are not included. It's not included. When a child lost his hand unable to do routine work is called handicap, disability, impairment, battered baby syndrome. Correct answer B. The people is suffering from any condition which lead to anatomical destruction, which lead to effect on daily routine work is called disability. Natural history of disease best studied by Cross-sectional study, RCT, case control study, cohort study. Correct answer is D, cohort study. The period preliminary to the onset of disease in man, when the disease agent has not yet entered man, but the factor favoring its interaction with human host exists once. Please, any guess of the correct answer of this question? The correct answer is pre-pathogenesis phase, pathogenesis phase, or other incubation period. Pre-pathogenesis period, pathogenesis period, pre-symptomatic period. The correct answer is pre-pathogenesis period, which means the disease agent is not enter in human body and it's interact with human environment, so human and environment. Correct answer is B. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Any question, feel free to ask. Clarification: the contact number is 9851219811. This MCQ are referenced by JP Digital Review of Preventive Social Medicine, including biostatistics.